Hey YouTube friends, I just wanted to let you know something that I slapped together here to handle the power of my Hatsan 30 caliber pellet gun. I have a 22 caliber pellet trap, but this guy is just a little bit too much for that.
Incoming message.
So what I did, I got one of Gill's hard target 12 by 12, slapped it together with some scrap 2x4s. I'll show you the inside of this. Inside you can see I have Gill's hard target. Over here, that's holding the target in. These brackets here on the side pull out, and then you can release the target. It's worked well so far.